The biggest complaint about the Crosstrek is officially dead. For 2026, Subaru has finally listened. No more underpowered engines. No more bare-bones tech, but a hybrid system that actually makes sense. This is the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek, and it just became the most dangerous competitor in the compact SUV class. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a city commuter, this refresh changes everything. Smash that like and subscribe to DRX Automobi right now. Let's see if this is the Subaru we've all been waiting for. First big news, the 2.0-liter engine is gone. For 2026, the 182 horsepower 2.5-liter boxer engine is standard on every gas trim, from the base to the wilderness. But the real showstopper is the all-new Crosstrek Hybrid. It pairs that to 0.5-liter engine with 2 electric motors for a total of 194 horsepower and an EPA estimated 36 miles per gallon. Unlike most hybrids that use electric AWD, Subaru kept a mechanical drive shaft here, meaning you still get that legendary symmetrical AWD grip. It's snappy, it's efficient, and with nearly 600 miles of total range, it's built for the long haul. Off-road capability is still where the Crosstrek mops the floor with the competition. You get 8.7 inches of ground clearance standard, but if you step up to the wilderness trim, that jumps to 9.3 inches. For 2026, the wilderness gets revised transmission, gearing to help with low-speed crawling and a higher towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. Combined with the dual-function X mode, this car will go places most soft-roaders wouldn't dream of. It's not just a lifted hatchback anymore. It's a genuine miniature mountain goat. Inside, Subaru finally caught up to 2026. Higher trims and hybrids now feature a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, and that massive 11.6-inch vertical touchscreen is now standard on almost every trim. Safety-wise, you're looking at the latest EyeSight driver, assist with a wider field of view and a new electric brake booster for smoother emergency stops. They've also added automatic emergency steering to help you dodge obstacles at city speeds. It's the safest, smartest cabin Subaru has ever put in a small car. With a starting price of around $26,995 and the hybrid landing near $34,000, the 2026 Crosstrek is a steal for the tech and capability you're getting. So gas or hybrid? Which one are you taking home? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. I'm with DRX Automobi, and I'll see you in the next one.